Today, we will create 3D cartoon animations for absolutely free. First, check it out, all these really amazing outputs. All these 3D animations I have made using AI tools. And you can also make these for free in just few easy steps. The video is going to be very interesting. Like the video quickly, and let's start the video. First of all, we have to search on Google for Leonardo AI. Now, click on the first link. And you will going to see this amazing window. Over here, click on Get Started. Now on the left side, there are different options to log in. I have logged in with Google, you can also do the same, or else any other option you can choose. It's very simple. Now over here, first step is to generate a 3D image, and second to animate it. So for first step, just click on image creation over here. And now on the topmost tab, this one, we have to write a prompt in this. What kind of image do we want? Create a 3D image of Indian cute kids cycling in the park, animated with Disney Pixar's, wearing jeans, t-shirt, and denim jacket. They are happily riding the cycle. They are creating a cozy atmosphere for a peaceful moment together, so we'll add this line here in prompt section. Now, simply click on Generate and wait for a while. In some time, you will get your outputs. Now our image is ready. Look how awesome it looks. Click on the download image here and download this. So the first step is done to create a 3D image. If your story is different and you want to make something different, you can generate similar things from here. Now, moving forward. Once the image is made, it's time to animate it. To do that, I have to search on Google for Pixverse AI. So this is the first website, right? We have to open this. So I have opened this and signed in here as well. And in this, we get 150 credits for free. And we can make a lot of things in this. So, how to make it? It's very easy. First of all, click on Image here. And now the photo that we have generated, simply pick that photo and upload ID. And you have to write a prompt below. What you have to write is, you can copy and paste the same prompt. Like I have made this photo here, so this is our prompt here, and we'll write the same thing here. Now, all we have to do is click on Create. Now this will take some time. It takes very little time. I think it will take 2-3 minutes, or maybe faster than that. And to make one video, it will use 30 credits. And our video has started making. Look at this, oh my god. It made such a realistic animation. Even they are pedaling so proper, but there is no motion. So for that, we have to do some changes in prompt. Adding moving video of cycles in the prompt, and again hitting generate. It will again take some time, so wait for it. And look at now. They pedaling so properly, even Tress are moving. Oh my god, this is so good. And you can download it by clicking here. One more thing is here. If you want to increase its quality, if you want more quality videos, then there is an option below for upscale, HD upscale. But you will lose 10 more credits. Let me show you. I clicked on upscale. Now wait for some time. It will make the video even more high quality, which will be very fun to watch. Let's see what the result is. Remember, all this is happening for free. Oh wow, amazing. Let's download it and play it on the full screen. What a high quality animation. It made such an amazing 3D animation for us. And that too for free. You can play with these AI tools for free, explore them, and learn to do new things. If you like the video quickly, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.